Today we're going to make monkey bookmarks. What you'll need is some paper, you'll need some scissors, you'll need some glue stick, and a marker or crayons. First, we need to make our paper a perfect square. An easy way to do this is to take a corner of your paper and fold until the corner is even with the opposite side. Then simply cut away the excess. Now that we have a perfect square, we need to make our bookmark. First, we must fold the square in half to make a triangle shape. Next, take one of the corners and line it up with the top of the triangle. You can repeat this with the other side, so we'll have a smaller square or a diamond shape. Unfold what we've just folded so you have the triangle again. Use our fold lines as guides and fold the top of the triangle down so that the tip is lined up with the flat edge. Now we can fold our corners back over like we did previously, only this time we will fold the top underneath into the little pocket we've created. Be sure when you're folding the top of your triangle, you only grab the top piece, not both pieces of our paper. Now that our bookmark shape is made, we can add details. First, cut out some shapes for your eyes and your mouth. Stick these shapes on with glue stick. Make sure you don't glue your pocket closed, otherwise our bookmark won't work. Once you've glued your pieces on, you can use a marker or crayons to draw in your details. So you can draw in some eyes and some kind of smiley face, or in this case an angry face. You can draw a nose, some eyebrows, whatever you like. After you're done with the face, use some paper to cut out some ears. Again, use your marker or crayons to draw on details. When you're satisfied, you can glue the ears to your bookmark. And that's it, you're done.